Did you know the founder of KFC was broke and living on $105 a month when he was 65 years old? Harlan Sanders wasn't always the smiling face on chicken buckets. He failed at almost everything he tried. Streetcar conductor, insurance salesman, gas station owner. Nothing worked. At 40, he finally found something he was good at: fried chicken. He ran a tiny restaurant next to his gas station in Kentucky, spending 25 years perfecting his secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices. Then disaster struck. In 1952, a new highway bypassed his restaurant completely. Customers vanished overnight. Sanders lost everything. Most people would give up, but Sanders loaded his car with seasoning and a pressure cooker, then drove across America. He knocked on restaurant doors, offering his chicken recipe for just 5 cents per piece sold. Restaurant owners laughed at the old man in the white suit, but those who tasted his chicken couldn't say no. Within 5 years, Sanders had over 400 restaurants serving his recipe. The broke senior citizen had built a global empire.